Hi, hello, and welcome to another video by the scientist formerly known as Nigeli. In today's video I would like to show you how to make this beautiful DIY Bluetooth speaker in a soda can. The device mainly has two functions. One is the switch to turn the device on and off. The second one is this port here to charge the battery. As a background I chose the Beatles here as a scenery for a Bluetooth speaker. Okay, let's turn it on.
Bluetooth mode. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
On your smartphone, activate Bluetooth.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
From the voice, I bet you can guess where I bought this product. Then choose a song and enjoy. So I hope you're still interested how to make this DIY Bluetooth speaker in a soda can. Therefore I will take one apart to show you from what it's made of. One of the key features is this combination of a plastic bottle inside of the soda can. So you can take it apart and fit it back together as you like it. So therefore this project starts with this plastic bottle and how to take it apart so it fits into the soda can. The goal is to isolate a sort of tube from this plastic bottle. So remove first the bottom part and then the top section of the bottle to isolate this transparent tube. Maybe you have to search a little bit until you find the right plastic bottle fitting your soda can. Then we need a sort of jig made from cardboard to mark or to find the center point of the soda can. With a circle cutter, make a groove around the center point in the same dimension as you need it for your speaker. Enlarge the hole you made in the center with scissors and then use pliers to remove the inner circle for the speaker. Enlarge the holes in the outer ring, first with scissors and then use a Dremel. Then I used some old CDs. They make around 4 centimeters. As a distance holder to indicate the height where to cut on the soda can. After having marked the 4 centimeters around the soda can, cut it along the groove with scissors. Together with the Bluetooth modules you get some cables. With a soldering station, solder them to the loudspeaker and then fix the loudspeaker in the soda can. Okay, this was first step. Now we come to the part where we need to make an opening in the surface of the soda can for the battery management system. Use a knife to indicate the opening on the surface of the soda can. Make a hole in the middle of the opening with scissors. Carefully enlarge the opening with pliers along the grooves you made with the knife. Enlarge the opening with your Dremel tool. And then we have the first time the chance to check if the opening is big enough. So place your battery management system into the hole to see if the final dimensions are correct. In order not to shorten the circuit, half of the battery management system, use some shrink tubing to isolate it. Add some electrical tape on both sides of the soda can near the opening in order to isolate also this part. Check the dimension of the opening the last time by putting the battery management through and check with the cable if it can be connected. With a hot glue gun, fix the battery management system to the soda can. Glue residues on the outside surface can easily be removed with a lighter and some tissue. Then completely cover the battery management system with glue. Then we come to the second opening we have to make into the soda can for the switch. The procedure is again the same. Use a knife to indicate the opening and then with pliers enlarge the hole. Solder some cable to the switch and isolate it, and then put this entire switch through the hole and fix it. Again, the entire switch is covered with hot glue. Then we come to the other end of our soda can loudspeaker. You see the dimensions around 24 millimeters for my speakers. Then get the tubing from the plastic bottle we prepared initially and cut two semicircles at one end of the tube. Put the two soda can halves together with the plastic bottle tube in the middle and check if the semicircles are big enough so everything fits smoothly. Then I mixed some 2-component adhesive on a post-it and smeared the glue onto the inside of the bigger soda can part. Usually I use toothpicks for this procedure. Slowly insert the plastic tube into the soda can with the glue. Rotate the plastic tubing inside the soda can to spread the 2-component adhesive everywhere. Let the adhesive harden, and in the meantime we can start soldering all the cable to the Bluetooth device. You will find a link in the description of the video to all the components I used. So I was too lazy to draw any kind of schematic to show you the circuit because it's so simple. You can just pause the video and have a look at this picture where you can see how the different components are connected. So in real life it looks like this. We have these two soda can components. The loudspeakers are integrated here in the bottom part. Then we have here the external battery box and the cables going to the battery management system. Here you can see how to connect the cable to load the battery. And then from the battery management system we come through the switch to the cable that is connected to the Bluetooth module. And that's the famous Bluetooth module. I still think it's amazing that you get such a piece of equipment for $1.50. Then I added a battery that I salvaged from my old laptop and connected both loudspeakers to the Bluetooth module. Finally, connect the power rail to the red connection on the Bluetooth module. Again, as the soda can is a quite good conductor. Save your electronic equipment in a small bag so you will not have any kind of shortage. Then arrange all the equipment back into the soda can and close it. Both parts were fixed together with some black tape. And now you're done with your DIY Bluetooth speaker in a soda can. And if you'd like that video, please share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay creative and so long!